for 20 in credit. If anybody wants to take the Arizona Cardinals, there's a link in the chat. Use that link, use the code at chat for 10% off. Let's get started here. All right. Again, we're going to have 2 autos per box, 15 cards per pack, 2 packs per box as well. Guess the last auto for 20 in credit. Last auto for 20 in credit. Good luck to everybody in this break. Two packs, empty box number 1. There's 2 packs. Maybe there's 1, 2, empty box number 2. Good luck, everybody. One quick second here, I'm going to update our stadium club. Guess the last auto, guys, for 20 in credit. All right, here we go. No, you can guess if you're just watching, anybody can guess. So you do not have to be in the break to guess, guys. Get your guesses in for that last auto for 20 in credit. We're gonna have 4 total autos in this break. It'll come out of the last pack. Good luck to everybody. Again, anybody watching can guess that last auto for the 20 in credit. We got a redemption to start off box number 1, it looks like. There's Joe Montana, or pack number 1. Devin Lloyd, Justin Herbert, Kyron Williams, a line or something in that one. Aaron Donald, Romeo Dobbs, rookie, Stephon Diggs, Leonard Fournette, Jordan Davis, rookie. We got our Mosaic color here. We're going to start it off with Steve Young. That's going to go to San Francisco out of BYU. That is out of 99, 73 out of 99 on the Joe Montana. Chris Olave. Is that Javonte Williams as far as the auto guess? And then we got Jahan Dotson and Sauce Gardner. Here's a Treylon Burks for Tennessee. That's going to be out of 99, 60 out of 99. Nice Treylon Burks. We got a pink coming up. That's Daxton Hill. I'll have to double check where he goes. Daxton Hill. This is out of 25. That is 25 out of 25. Give me a quick second here. We'll look up Daxton Hill. Somebody beats me in the chat there. Cincinnati. That's going to the Bengals. Nice Daxton Hill out of 25. All right, Josh, we got you down for Javonte Williams on that last auto. Good luck. Good luck to everybody. There's Brian Robinson for Washington on the silver. Let's take a look at our first auto. Again, this is a redemption. So if you guys know the redemption list on this, you probably have a good guess of who it is. We got Keenan Allen covering up the redemption. Come upside down with Keenan Allen there. Chronicles draft picks, of course. Autographs Mosaic. Card number 13. It is Jameson Williams for Detroit. That's going to go to the Detroit spot. Congrats to the Lions. That on here. We got Detroit with the Jameson Williams. Congrats on the auto redemption there. Top loader to put it in. When you get it, here is pack number 2. And auto number 2 will be in here. Good luck, everybody. There's Baker Mayfield. I'll have him cover up the auto here. Set that aside. There's Dan Marino. Nakobe Dean. Mike Williams. Brian Robinson Jr. Cooper Kupp. Wan'Dale Robinson. Christian McCaffrey. Joe Namath. DeMarvin Leal. And it looks like we got another, oh, this is a fuchsia, not pink or purple, I guess. Travis Kelce going to the Chiefs. This will be out of 49, 35 out of 49 on the Travis Kelce. I guess I did not realize he went to Cincinnati. For some reason, thinking he was at Iowa or something. David Bell, a guess on that auto. We have Jamar Chase on the red for the Bengals. That's 47 out of 99. Going to Cincinnati. Then we have a nice blue Jahan Dotson for Washington. It's a good one to have there. That's out of 75, 19 out of 75. Going to the Commanders. And we got the silver Cooper Kupp for the Rams. He had a great career at Eastern Washington. You guys aren't familiar with his college stats, look it up. He dominated. They usually played a Pac-10 team each year, or at least one or two, and he had his best games against some of those Pac-10 teams. There's Baker Mayfield, and again, this auto is going to be Jalen Tolbert. That's going to go to Dallas. Jalen Tolbert out of Sam Furman. Oh, South Alabama. What was what I was reading there? South Alabama, Jalen Tolbert. This, I think, is the same auto that the Jameson Williams will look like. All right, box number 2, pack number 1. Again, guys, get your guesses in for that last auto. You do not have to be in the break. Just get your guesses in before we open up that last pack. Set this auto to the side. Wan'Dale Robinson. Christian McCaffrey. Joe Namath. DeMarvin Leal. Sam Howell, rookie. Myles Garrett. Nick Chubb. David Ojabo. Tua Tagovailoa. Kobe Dean. I think this goes to Philadelphia, if I remember right. Kobe Dean, 81 out of 99. We got a nice one coming up here. We just double check that again. I believe it's Philadelphia. Yep, that'll go to Philadelphia out of 99. And the Kobe Dean. And we have a pink Aiden Hutchinson for Detroit from Michigan. Out of 25, 4 out of 25 on the Aiden Hutchinson. It's going to go to the Lions spot. Lions have a nice break. You got the Jameis Williamson auto, and then the Aiden Hutchinson out of 25 so far. Top loader. A little messed up there. Get a different one. Nice Aiden Hutchinson out of 25. Got the Jonathan Taylor for the Colts. Kenneth Walker, silver rookie for Seattle. And we got George Pickens covering up our auto. It's going to be Tyler Goodson now. I don't have a clue where he's at, so let's look that up. Green Bay Packers. I'll go to the Packers. I don't know if he's currently on the team, but looks like that's where he was at. So Tyler Goodson going to the Green Bay Packers on that auto. And guys, guess that last auto now is the time to reveal it. Good luck to everybody in the break and everyone who guessed on that last auto. Hopefully we can give away 20 in credit to somebody. We'll set that to the side. Trevor Lawrence, Jalen Tolbert, Joe Burrow, Terry Bradshaw, Patrick Mahomes, Desmond Ridder, Troy Aikman, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, and Sky Moore. And we'll get into our color. Here we have Matt Carroll. That's going to go to Carolina. That'll be out of 49, 32 out of 49 on the Matt Carroll. Looks like he'll be fighting Sam Darnold for that job next year. Looks like Darnold's probably going to be the one till the end of the year there. A.J. Brown going to Philadelphia out of 99, 71 out of 99. We got a big one coming up here. Not a rookie. It is second-year quarterback. Having a fantastic season so far. How about a 1-of-1 Trevor Lawrence going to the Jags spot? 1-of-1 Trevor Lawrence. What an awesome hit that is for the Jags. Second-year Trevor Lawrence. This is going to be in that Clemson University uniform. Congrats, Jacksonville, on that one. He's playing great at this time. Perfect time to hit a 1-on-1 Trevor Lawrence in any break. Awesome hit there for the Jags on the black and orange there. Halloween colors. J.J. Watt on the silver. And we have our last auto to reveal here as well. Trevor Lawrence is going to be tough to beat, but man, what a card that was. And congrats to Jacksonville on that one. Let me see this card does here. All right, guys, here's our last auto. Good luck to everyone who had a guess. There's Nick Bosa. Get my hand out of the way there. Nick Bosa. And our last auto is Devontae Price. Florida International Panthers. Where's Devontae Price go? Devontae Price. Colts. So that will go to the Indianapolis Colts. All right, guys, we're going to do a quick recap here. Again, congrats to the Jaguars getting a 1-of-1. All right, so let's do our recap. We have J.J. Watt, silver. A.J. Brown to 99. Matt Carroll, that's the 70 or 49, excuse me. Silver Walker. Jonathan Taylor. Kobe Dean out of 99. Cooper Kupp, silver. Jamar Chase out of 99. Travis Kelce out of 49. Brian Robinson, silver. Out of 25, Daxton Hill. Treylon Burks out of 99. Steve Young out of 99. Jalen Tolbert, auto. Tyler Goodson, auto. This will go to Dallas. This goes to Green Bay. Price goes to the Colts. And Detroit will get Jameis Williams. Jahan Dotson, blue out of 75. Aiden Hutchinson out of 25 for Detroit. And then we have the Trevor Lawrence for the Jacksonville Jaguars. 1-of-1 Trevor Lawrence. Congrats on that hit there to this Jag spot. All right, guys, that does it for this Mosaic draft picks 2-box break. I love those breaks. We did a lot of these last year. Obviously, it'd been nice to hit one of these last year, but still, second year Trevor Lawrence with the season he's having, that's a good card to hit there.